Welcome to the virtual Féile. My name's Áine Tubrity. I'm Antrim Ladies Senior Football Captain. My partner here today is Lucia Murphy and she plays for St Paul's under-10s. She's going to help us take us through all the challenges. Firstly, we're going to start with a bit of a warm-up and introduce us into the game. We're then going to look at 3 skills that are important for ladies Gaelic football. And we hope that you can join us in these challenges and try and beat our score. Okay, so our first part of the warm-up is going to be just jogging through till the end of the red cones and then turning back. You're going to repeat that twice. You're then going to go through again using high knees, getting your knee drive up nice and high. You're then going to go side to side, pushing off at a diagonal, and then we're going to repeat these exercises with a football. So we're ready and get the ball in our hands before our skills. Okay, ready, Lucia? Ready? So we're just going to jog up. Turn, come back, back up again, come back. We're going to go through again, knees up, using your hands as well, and just jog back. Knees up. Jog back. This time your diagonal plant. So and just jog back. Again. And jog back. This time. Go back. Last time. And you're just soloing up. Come back. Last time. That's right. Sorted. Okay, our first skill, which is very important in ladies Gaelic football, is the high catch. If you can catch the ball first time, it speeds up the game. So we're just going to basically toss the ball in the air for ourselves and try and catch the ball at the highest point. In order to do this, try and get your knee up high. If you can't do it with a partner, then try and do it with a wall, throwing the ball against the wall and catching first time. Make sure, like I said, that you try and catch at the highest point. So me and Lucia are just going to demonstrate here. So you're just going to toss the ball up and catch. Off you go. That's it, and throwing it up, catching and tucking it away. So catch and tuck. Perfect, catch and tuck. Okay, what we're going to do now is try and do a 30-second challenge on how many passes we can get in that 30 seconds. So, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Without dropping. Seconds left. And stop. How many did you get? How many did you get? 10 or 11, and I got 15. So try and beat what me and Lucia got. So she got 10 and I got 11. Well done. Okay, again, looking at the high catch, we're just going to focus on moving on the high catch because this is more realistic to a game situation. So Lucia is going to run onto the ball and try and catch it at the highest point, making sure as soon as you've catched the ball, you tuck the ball away from whoever you're marking. Again, if you haven't got a partner for this, you can throw it against the ball and move on, catch the ball and tuck it away. We're just going to show you here what we mean. Okay, ready, Lucia? Go. Good, tuck it away and pass it back to me. Again, 3 times we'll do this. Ready, go. Good guard, catch and tuck, good guard. Back last time. Ready, go. Good. Oh, chat one more time. Third back again. Ready, go. Move. That's it, and top. Good girl. Super. Okay, so the next skill we're going to look at is tackling. Again, another very important skill in ladies Gaelic football. So I'm just going to show you the sole on the ball, and Lucia is going to show you how you tackle. It's important when you're doing this one that you use the nearest hand to you. So Lucia in this case is going to be coming with her right hand, trying to get at the ball. She's not going to be coming across the body. Okay, so are you ready? Good. And again, if you're bouncing, it's the same. Lucia is just going to be coming and knocking that away. Ready? Good girl. And the same for the bounce. That's it. Okay, and we're going to show you this one on the move. Do you want me to solo? Okay. Ready? Okay. Good. Well done. And then we'll jump back. Ready? Good. Good. And jump back. And then do you want to have a go? Ready? Jump back. There you go. Okay, the next skill we're going to look at is blocking. Again, this is vitally important for any defender in ladies Gaelic football. We're going to show you it here static, and then we'll move into blocking on the move. Okay, so get close to the ball. Get your foot and hands really close to the ball. That's it. Good. Okay, you have a go. Just want to get two hands close to the foot as possible. Good. That's us. Okay, over here. Okay, we're going to put the clock on here, so as many blocks as you see it can get in 30 seconds. So I have a load of different footballs to move around. If you don't have this amount of footballs, again, you can do it with just the one ball. Lucy is going to try and block me as many times as she can. She'll count how many times she blocks it, and I'll count how many I get in without her dropping the ball. You ready? So, leave that one down. 2, 3, go! Nearest hand. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. And stop. How many did you get? About 10? About 10. Yeah, and I would say I got about 6 solos in without her blocking it. Well done. Okay, so the next skill me and Lucy are going to look at today is the kick pass. Again, for this you're making sure that your target is your partner's chest. Again, practice with your left foot and your right foot. Okay, ready Lucy? Good. Try your other foot, that's okay, just drop it. That's it. Good girl. Is that it? Good, right, we'll go for 10 with no drops. Ready? 1, 2. Oh, my fault. Go again. Oh, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. I'm going to make it a wee bit longer. Right, take it back a wee tiny bit. Go for 10 again, ready? Take your time though. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, ready? Last 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, thanks, good delay. Right, last 10. Ready? 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Okay, the next skill we're going to look at is the solo. Again, when you're doing this skill, you're making sure that you're dropping from your right hand, right foot, left hand, left foot. We're going to show you here, just standing still. Ready? Keep going. Okay, and we'll try and do it on the move?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, this time we're just going to walk through it, so 4 steps, drop the ball down, left foot, right hand. That's it. That's it, and the same the way back. Okay, and then this time we'll try to pick the pace up a wee bit. Okay, ready? Just even on a jog. Same the way up. Left foot, left hand. That's it. Go. Super. Okay, so the next skill we're going to look at is shooting. It's very important in the game because you have to score for your team to win. So we're going to look at different ways you can score. So obviously you can score by hand passing it over the bar, kicking it over the bar, and goals. So I'm just going to run through a few of those now for you. Okay, so we'll start off first with the goals. So just going to solo in, get the yellow cone, goal. Okay, again, solo in, yellow cone. Okay, this time. I'm going to go to the orange this time. Drop the ball on your foot. Over. In. Over. And then, as I said, you can hand pass it over the bar as well, and that counts as a point. Just going to show you how that's done now. Okay. Okay, also when you're doing these skills, don't forget you can use your left foot as well. Okay, don't get comfortable like me and just use one foot. Also practice on your left. Ready? Surprise, I scored. Oh. And then points. And then hand pass as well with your left hand. Okay, now that I've demonstrated, we're going to get Lucia to run through. So we're going to do a few goals and a few points. Let's see if you can compete our score. We're trying to get 5 out of 5 here. Ready? First ball first. Ready? Good guard. Back to yellow. Good guard. Right point this time. Put your head down over the ball and super score. And back to the orange. A bit further back. Head down over. Oh, good guard, good goal. And another one. Good score. Well done. Okay, so after all our skills today, we're going to now put it into a game scenario. So we're putting all our skills together. Lucia is going to demonstrate 5 times running in, soloing the ball, hand passing it to myself. She's going to high catch it in the air, dip it from the ground, and then take her score. So we're going to do this 5 times, and you can have a go and try and get 5 out of 5 scores. Ready, Lucia? Okay, so we start back there. Solo in, hand pass, guard one on, high catch. Hand pass, dip it, take your score, good guard, good goal. Take your time in your solo. Good. Hand pass, dip, dip. Good goal. Try to go for point next time, right? Try and get it from top in this time too. Good. Well done. High catch, jumping catch, took it away. Sit and dip. Take your score. Excellent, well done. 3 goals so far. Well done, and catch. Good. Good, and dip. Super score, well done. Last one, finishes the score. Yeah. Guard and high catch. Dip. Excellent, well done. Guard. Okay, so thanks for watching our virtual Féile challenges and skills there today. They're just some of the essential skills you need for ladies Gaelic football. On behalf of myself, Antrim ladies captain Áine Tubrity and Lucia Murphy today for taking part in our challenges and skills. We just like you all now to go have a go at doing those skills, and if you can with the challenges, then send them through and we'll then pick somebody at random and reward them with an Antrim ladies Gaelic football playing top, and I'll happily go meet the person that wins that challenge to be rewarded at the top. Thank you.